So I did a little bit of trimming after I shut off the video, and you can see how patchy as hell everything is. And I started reading the instructions for the next phase, and it says apply into dry, unwashed hair. So just stepping out of the shower, I read that. So now I'm waiting for the hair to dry and be less washed. And we'll see what happens next. Let's take the final tour. So it definitely is a little bit darker. Still all kinds of patchy. Real weird under there. Mustache looking strong after its little trim. Oh yeah. And over here, we're still patchy. A lot darker, and you can tell on the chin, the red is gone. So we now have a closer to my hair color beard. No, scratch that. Closer to my hair color facial hair. Definitely not a beard anymore. Now I gotta live with it for today and then make a decision on its fate.